Hello and welcome to Campr, your daily dose of fun. On today's show, a chance to win the awning from ARB. More of our Campr showstoppers, but right now, living in the lap of luxury on Fraser Island at Kingfisher Bay Resort. If you're looking for a little bit of luxury on Fraser Island, look no further than Kingfisher Bay Resort. Completed in 1992, the resort is enormously popular with international visitors who come from all over to marvel at the World Heritage listed island. Kingfisher Bay Resort was Australia's first eco-lodge, and there's a real focus here on the delicate environment that surrounds the resort. When the tide and conditions are favourable, a stand-up paddleboard or kayak into this nearby creek give a clear understanding of why the island is just so special.
So we've just turned right up Dundonga Creek. The sun's coming out. Beautiful mangrove system here. The water's nice and clean. You can see why the staff at Kingfisher love bringing their guests up here. Beautiful.
Back at the resort, food and dining options are many and varied. The sandbar is a favourite for many, but there's nothing like a meal with a view, and it's here that you'll find most people come sunset, down by the water at the jetty bar, having a beer, a few prawns, and just waiting for the show. Well, it's been a cracking day at Kingfisher Bay Resort, a top spot for romance, families, and even a boys' trip. It definitely ticks all the boxes. And as the sun sets over the Great Sandy Straits behind us, have a look at that. Absolutely beautiful. A few prawns, bit of cheese, a couple of cold beers. Cheers, boys. Thanks for an excellent week. Good stuff. Whether it's the luxury of Kingfisher Bay Resort or the beachside family fun of Yorong Beach, I guarantee that you'll come away feeling relaxed and ready to plan your return trip. Go to kingfisherbay.com to be well and truly surrounded by nature.
Oh, me by far. my previous wife was a little challenged in the driving area.
Me.
Oh, definitely me.
I reckon it would be me.
Maybe, yeah, probably you. Yeah.
Me. Me.
Well, it's only me now, so... No, it's definitely me.
Oh, probably me.
Well, I'd have to say him, although they did put a snorkel, an exhaust and a chip on my car, so now they call me a hoon.
Me. Oh, definitely me. Goodness me. Me.
Oh, shit.
You okay?
Oh, my God.
Here we go. Going for two on us. Lost one of your crew members. Hopefully you didn't run him over.
Our next camper giveaway is a beauty, an ARB canvas awning for your next off-road adventure. Keeping you cool in the dry and dry in the wet, ARB awnings are a must-have for a day at the beach or a night in the bush. ARB awnings feature anodised height-adjustable telescopic legs, Velcro ties, all secured and free from the outside elements in a heavy-duty nylon reinforced PVC bag. Fully waterproof and with a UVP rating of 50+, the ARB awning comes in 3 sizes and is yours to win. Follow the link to enter the competition, and to increase your number of entries, just follow the prompts. The more entries you have, the more chance of winning, and you've got to be in it to win it. The prize will be drawn on Friday, August 3. Register now and good luck.